Now we are going to know the small facts in bill of materials. Normally if you get into the bill of materials under a drafting sheet means it is just to list about the components, materials, descriptions, quantity, all that. In this component name, planet gear, ring gear, shaft, sun gear, carrier, all that will be defined. But if you look at it, 3 planet gears, 1 ring gears, how many shafts, 1 sun gears also defined. Now I am going to exclude one of the component called the planet gear. Right click and component properties. Under that, select exclude from bill of material. This only one component excluded from the actual assembly. Now get into the drafting sheet. Look at the planet gear and the quantities. Default quantity is 3. Now after excluding the particular number, it is shows 2. Now not only that, we are going to exclude the ring gear. Why we need to prefer this bill of material in this particular excluded tab means basically if you just transporting or communicate the drafting sheet already, but you need to highlight some of the required quantity excluded from the default one means you just selecting this component, right click, excluding from the bill of material means that particular component only eliminated. Rest of the portions detailedly explained on the bill of material, all that both from one to another. Okay, thank you.